Are you working 2 to 3 jobs or long hours, living paycheck to paycheck? Are you a stay-at-home parent looking for a way to earn substantial income regularly to boost your family's budget? Please pause whatever you're doing right now and watch this no-cost, life-changing webinar. This webinar will teach you how you can start your own online business using just your laptop, mobile phone, and a good internet connection. Become your own boss, work from anywhere in the world, achieve financial independence, and travel the world with your family without asking for permission from anyone. We will provide you with video-based training, free coaching and mentorship, multiple income streams, and the support of our global community of like-minded online business owners. Interested? Register now at www.chidenmasaluka.com and start your journey today. Also, feel free to send me a message for any inquiries. Your new future awaits.